This week we are learning how to do partial quotient division, and so I am going to model how we solved our division in class today. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to draw our division house. Our dividend 78 is going to go inside of the house, and our divisor 6 is going to go on the outside of our house. We are going to do our quick multiplication on the side to help us stay organized. And so we are going to do 6 times 1, which equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. We can go to 5. That's usually a great place to stop. Or you could stop at 3, wherever you feel comfortable. Now what we're going to do is we are going to use these same numbers right here to help us multiply our multiples of 10. So we're going to do 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 20 equals 120. Now I can stop at 6 times 20 because 120 is bigger than 78. We are going to focus by looking at these numbers in the circle to help us figure out how to divide 78 divided by 6. So I'm going to look for the closest number to 78 in my circled numbers, and I can see that 60 is my closest number. So I'm going to write 60 underneath my 78. And I'm going to ask myself, what do I multiply by 6 to get 60? And I have my answer right here, and it's 10. So I'm going to put my 10 on top of my division house, and then I'm going to subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8, and 7 minus 6 is 1. So my new division problem is going to be 18 divided by 6. I'm going to look at my circled numbers here for the closest number to 18. Now remember, it cannot be bigger than 18. And I actually see an 18 right here. So I'll write my 18 underneath. And I ask myself, what do I multiply by 6 to get 18? And that's going to be this 3 right here. So my 3 will go on top of my 10. We need to make sure that our ones place is lined up so that 3 and 0 are lined up. I will do my subtraction. 8 minus 8 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, and once I get to 0, I know that I am done dividing. These right here are my partial quotients. I'm going to add my partial quotients together, and 3 plus 10 equals 13, and that is my final quotient.